am in the car in a bit of a rush because my mom told me that there's really bad traffic that Google Maps was not telling me about. Fuck it, now it tells me. Oh, it wasn't when I was in my house. Anyway, I really better go. I'm getting my hair done like I said, and I'll fill you in after. Ooh. And my mom was not joking. Look at the traffic to get out of my estate. The lights are so fucked up and they only let like one person out at a time. At a time, it's so fucking bad. Oh, fuck my life. Google Maps is already saying I'm going to be 1 minute late, and I don't even believe that that's right. I'd say I'll be even later. Hey guys, so it's just 12 o'clock now I think, and I'm just home. I got my hair done. I'm so happy with it. The colour's really nice. I got a low light in it this time and the last time because I felt like my hair was getting too like blonde and I wanted to look like highlights and natural, not dyed. Did you get me? There's no point in going to the hospital getting highlights if your hair looks like it's just dyed all over. So yeah, I don't know if you can see well. I was fuming, guys. Oh my god, the traffic was ridiculous. It took me nearly 15 minutes to get out of my estate. It took me nearly an hour to get there, and it's like a 15 to 20 max minute drive when there's no traffic. I knew there'd be traffic, so I left early. Like, I gave myself like nearly 35 minutes thinking that I'd be there early, and of course I wasn't, because there was even more traffic than when I got out of my estate. It was so bad, like way worse than usual. So I don't know, like obviously it's bad at that time, but I don't know what's going on. I feel like even before COVID it wasn't that bad at that time. But anyway, yeah, so I got there like 20 minutes late, and she was like, sorry, I literally won't have time to do a full head now, so I could only get a half head highlight. So I'm fuming because underneath my hair is like brown. Like, I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not because I cannot even see, but see, like I haven't got a full head now. I definitely didn't the last time I got it done, and I can't remember the time before that, but I think that my hair was so grown out because of lockdown as well. So god, I don't even know when I last got it done because oh, I can't remember where I got my hair done last time. But I think it's been like probably close to a year since I've got a full head now, so the underneath of my hair hasn't had highlights in nearly a fucking year, and my extensions are there, so it's just like brown, but the blonde highlight, the blonde extensions, so they're gonna look so not blended in when I tie up my hair. Contemplating trying to go back and get underneath done, but like, am I just being dramatic? I was fine with it the last time. Like the last time I booked in for a half head, but this time I just felt like I really needed a full head. So annoying. Why did that have to happen to me? Anyway, hopefully it'll be fine when I tie it up and stuff. I'd say I'll get away with it, but like, because to be honest, my roots weren't even that bad. Anyway, I'll tie it up later and see what it's like, and then I'll decide. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then she only charged me I think like 74 or 75 euro for a half head and cut, which is really good. I think it was like 90, I think it was 90 the last time, and I didn't even, yeah, I don't know. She asked me if I was a student, so I think she must have given me student discount, because I was like no, because I kind of was like, shit, I should probably just say yeah, because she's not even gonna ask for a student card. And then she must just like put it on anyway and felt bad, because I'd say she thought I was younger than I am as well. So anyway, what can you do? It is what it is. That was good though, so that's actually so cheap. It was so good and so worth it. Like, I was there for 2 hours. Actually no, under 2 hours. It only took like an hour and a half, which is so speedy as well. It's a new hairdressers I'm going to. My mum went to them, and then she said they were good, so then I went with her the last 2 times. So yeah, I'm happy with that. And then I decided to spend the extra money getting my nails done on the way home. I wanted to get a voucher there, so I was like, feck it, I'll just stop and get that. And then I just was like, it was dead, so I got my nails done while I was there. So I was gonna do my own, but they just don't last as long, and yeah, fuck it. I also don't have this colour. I actually do have a really similar one, but I like this a bit better. They're cute. My nails are so short, they all broke when I had no shellac on for a few weeks, so love that for me. Anyway, I'm gonna make a cup of coffee now because I actually haven't had a cup of coffee yet. I had tea this morning with my breakfast, but I just need a coffee now, you know. And then I'm meeting my mom for lunch. Ooh, just close, it's only like a 5-minute drive at 1, so I'll have to leave again in like half an hour. I can't wait, I'm actually starving. I'd love to eat lunch now, to be honest, but oh well. My hair smells nice. Can't get up off the couch now that I've sat down though. What's new? Am I ready to go for lunch? Hehe. I'm wearing these leggings and this, so casual. So you're wearing this today. But you literally have to be comfortable in the hairdressers, don't you? Like, no thank you. I'm so excited for lunch. Huh? Drink. What a song! The weather is grim now. Absolutely rotten. Can you hear the rain? I am doing a bit of editing for... Hi cutie, I have a little cutie here. It's my little baby. Oh, she just sits in here. She's very comfy. Good girl. She's like, what is that? Flipping guard dog heard one tiny little noise. I actually need to cleanse my face because I could feel the like actual grease on my face when I was in the hairdressers with my mask on. So I'm gonna do that now because I always forget and then I end up getting spots. So I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Sorry guys, I'm back and it's actually 10 to 5 now. I got back at about 4 o'clock. Even though I went for lunch at 1, but I went with my mom and we met my granny and uncle there and we were just literally chatting for ages. I didn't want to leave even though I should have left ages ago because I have so much to do, but I'm back and I'm editing now. I was like cleaning and putting on the dinner and stuff when I came back, so I'm literally just sat down to do that now. I'm about halfway through, so hopefully I only have like under an hour left to do, and then yeah, I wanted to go out for a walk but it's raining, so that might not happen because my hair is actually clean for once. But yeah, I need to have a shower and stuff as well. I was hoping to get some sit down videos recorded, but they might have to be tomorrow now. What's new? Right, I am showered, so, and I smell dinner, so I'm going downstairs. I'm starving. My hair, I'm really happy with it. Looks like natural. It's cute. I need to do some Christmas shopping tonight. I really do. Like online Christmas shopping, obviously. So after I upload my video and eat dinner, I'm gonna just chill and have a look for some of my laptop. I don't even have that much to get, but I'm just starting to panic that they won't get here in time unless I order them now, so I'm gonna have to do that.
I did that. Come on, about them all for enough.
With up to 3% back in cash on your mortgage.
Sarah's so funny, she's always saying, I wouldn't want to be around Johnny having stepped down. Emma Joy will be distraught.
She's right.
She absolutely loves that dog.
Yeah.
She loves him more than people, like, she does.
It's true.
I said, well, that's obvious.
Come here. Come on, why are you being so shy? I don't blame you, do you? Like, look at you. Look at you. Little belly fluffy puffy. But he's so funny. So it is now 10:30. Teeth are just brushed and I'm just gonna do my tan now. I forgot until now and I'm like, but I have to. I'm so pale. Look how pale I am. I feel like my nails look so much nicer when I've got tan on. They look so strange now. They look like old woman hands, like pale and dark nail polish. Just reminds me of like older people. Yeah, gotta do a tan, ladies, because we're finally going out tomorrow night. Not really out, like I'm actually going for dinner and drinks, but still very excited. I'm just excited to dress up, excited to be out, excited to have a few drinks, excited to eat, obviously, that goes without saying. And yeah, not excited to sleep with my tan on, but I think I'm gonna go all out and do ultra dark because it's been so long. Cause like I wear tan every week anyway, but I usually just wear like medium or dark and do like a thin layer. But I might use BIABELLE because it's so dark and I haven't in a while. Probably since like the last time I went out, which is I don't know how long. Oh my god, I actually got it for Christmas last year. I hope it's not gone off because it's really good. I love it. But I like to savour it. I'm also gonna have to hunt for it. I managed to get it. Woohoo! So when I say that I got this for Christmas, by the way, oh my god, I keep doing that. I keep saying it my mistake. Oh, my bless. Yeah, like I got it then, but I didn't open it that long ago, if you get me. And it's grand. I just tried a bit on my hand there and it's not green at all, so you can see it there. So yeah, it should be fine. I mean, might not give them the best review since it's not a fresh bottle. I feel like a fresh bottle you just can't beat. Like any tan is pretty good when it's fresh bottle, to be honest. But anyway, I loved it the last time, so you can go off that recommendation. And it was so dark when I used it then. So yeah, I'm gonna use it now. I'm not gonna use loads and loads and loads. Like I'm just gonna do like the one thin enough layer because I just can't bear to sleep in it. Like it's actually horrendous. I don't know how I used to sleep in the amount of tan that I put on because actually no, I literally didn't. Like I just wouldn't be able to get to sleep. And even now when I have like one sticky layer on, I'm like, oh. So yeah. Also wasted the last bloody ages just sitting around and stuff. So it's now 11:15, so let's get on with doing the tan. Look at the difference. What? It is so dark. That's not even that much. So dark. What the fuck? Pod is done. Look at my neck compared to my face. Perfect. So I'm just gonna do a bit of dripping gold on my face. Dripping gold underwater in medium dark. I'm so sticky. I already know it's gonna be a horrific night's sleep. But oh well. So what I like to do is spray it onto this Bellamy Kabuki brush. Such a good brush. And such a good tan. and then apply it everywhere. Definitely put way too much on, like literally double what I usually put on. I just feel like I'm all out on everything. Do you get me? Why not? Like, usually I'd use what's left for like my hands and stuff, but I've got way too much on my hands already, so what can you do? The worst thing is when FaceTime comes off though, when you put makeup on and then you have to take it off and then it comes off your face. It's devastating because then you're left with a white face again. Such a nice tan though. And then what else was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I need to put on my long lashes serum from BIABELLE. So hopefully I will have long lashes one day. And yeah, that's it. It must be like 11:30 by now, so I need to go to bed because I'm going to the gym again tomorrow for 8 o'clock. So night troops. I will be on tomorrow to show you my tan, and then yeah, actually maybe it'll be in tomorrow's vlog. I'll insert a clip. I'll definitely show you the results in this one because that wouldn't be fair. So yeah, here we are, girls and boys. So dark. I wonder does much wash off. I feel like it didn't the last time, but then again I try so many tans that it's kind of hard to remember, but I'm pretty sure it stayed really dark. God, I need to moisturize my hands so badly. Anyway, good night. So it is now the next day. I have showered and this is what we are left with. My foot's very dark. My legs aren't that dark, but I didn't go, well no, I did a decent layer in them, but I didn't do like loads because I probably won't even have my legs out, let's be real. But I can't do bits of my body, like I have to do a full body tan just because I mostly do it for myself, really. My arms and hands are so dark. Such a nice colour, I really like it. You can kind of see better in this light, in the mirror. My stomach is nice and tanned. It's hard to tell. I feel like the camera just never picks it all up the same, does it? As in person. Yeah, take it from me. It's really nice and it is really dark. I'm so excited to go out, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video here because I am already vlogging today as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it as usual. Thank you for all the support. If you're watching all my Vlogmas videos, I love you and thank you. And if you're just joining me, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because I would love you to stay with me. Bye guys.